wave. Thank you, thank you. Not extremely cold, but the air is nippy, as it should be. These are ideal conditions for a ride. Would you agree? Hello, hello, and good morning. It's a brand new setup in every respect. Different bike, a different camera, different gloves also. Gloves. Today's date is 25th October 2025. As you can see, I'm not in Mumbai. I'm in Chandigarh. City beautiful. And today we are on our way towards Dehradun and Mussoorie. So far I'm liking the Himalayan. Suspension is quite nice. Brakes are good. Mirrors could have been better, I feel. Like the round mirrors, they give you that whole retro look, but they don't provide you a lot of viewing angles for traffic coming up behind you. Yeah, let's get the engine roll. Today's setup includes Viterra Tundra winter waterproof gloves along with the Viterra Pod 22, which is my luggage setup today. You don't get roads like these in Maharashtra, do you? This is on the way to Nahan. I'm about 15 kilometers from Nahan so far. Am I recording? Am I recording? I am recording. जहाँ खराब सड़क मिलती नहीं वहाँ एक्साइटमेंट आ जाती है ऐसी बाइक चलाने पे. The engine must sound lovely. चलो चलो. Nahan is 9 kilometers. Just look at the view. Suspension bottomed out, the front one. Oh, this is new. बंदर भी आ गए. अरे 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 क्या खा रहे हैं तो? हाय हाय. ये मिरर तो टाइट कराना पड़ेगा भाई. हर खड्डे में जाके खुल रहा है. Or is it one of those things? It's a feature, not a bug. बंदर बंदर. गाय गाय. Truck. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yeah. thought I'd take a stop in these mountains, and I'm still contemplating. But when I looked at the map, look at those twisties coming up. I'll take a break after this. Okay? Okay. Just look at the view. So peaceful now. The roads are okay. Matlab, they could be better. But I'm not complaining about the view. Oh no. Guys, careful while crossing the road, man. Oh my god. There's a party going on. I think my twisties are also coming to an end. इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया लिख के नीचे देखो कचरा. रोड टूटी, पानी जमा हुआ. Truly incredible India. Nice good break I had. Now onwards towards Paonta Sahib pehle and then Mussoorie. ND16 I've put on my camera now. We'll find out how the footage is once I reach or once I review. Till then, if it's good, enjoy the view. Dehradun, I've read about mostly in Ruskin Bond's books, novels, whatever I read growing up. But I'd actually never been. So, and since I'm in Chandigarh, what better chance to visit Dehradun? Mr. Ruskin Bond, if I get to see him. So he is in Mussoorie, and I've read up enough to know that he visits this one particular bookstore on Saturdays if his health permits. So that's why I'm going to be staying basically somewhere in Mussoorie, Landour side. See if he actually turns up to the bookstore, and if he does, maybe get a photograph click with him, buy a book signed by him. Wouldn't that be a treasure? How many of you, I'm sure all of you studying in CBSE or ICSE must have at least read one or the other story by Ruskin Bond in your syllabus, right? Okay. So we've just crossed Paonta Sahib, and now Dehradun is 47 kilometers. उत्तराखंड राज्य में आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन. So now I'm entering Uttarakhand. हर्बर्टपुर, ये कैसा नाम है? हर्बर्टपुर. हर्बर्टपुर मतलब वो कौन था ड्यून का राइटर? फ्रैंक हर्बर्ट, उसका गांव है. वाओ, सो फनी. Why can't we get roads like these in and around Mumbai? Like, कितना पैसा कमाओगे तुम लोग? कितना, मतलब कमा भी लो तुम करप्शन से, कहाँ एक ही ज़िंदगी बची है खर्चने की. उस ज़िंदगी में भी ऐसे खराब सड़कों पे जा के अपना खून चुसवा के दूसरों का खून चूस के क्या तुमने पुण्य का काम किया? यहाँ देखो, ये ऐसी रोड्स बनी है जिसने बनाई है, जिन लोगों ने बनाई है उनको लाख दुआ जाती होगी रोज़ की कि भाई क्या बढ़िया सड़क है. इतनी तारीफ हो रही थी अच्छे रोड्स की, अभी समझा सडनली बीच में ऑफ रोड पैच है। आई एम तो रेडी। भाई साहब फुल एडवेंचर करवा के रहेंगे ये लोग मेरे से। कितना लंबा डाइवर्जन है ये। आई एम इन देहरादून ऑलरेडी before 12:30. Now I have 1.5 hours more to go to get to Mussoorie. Dehradun feels like a very quaint little town. Narrow roads, like slow moving traffic. People are not in a rush to get anywhere. And even if they are, I'm assuming this is a small town, so everything is well within reach. चलो भाई, सब लोग इतने मिच मिच चले रहते हैं यहाँ पे। क्या चल रहा है? This cows kept me company while I was sitting here having lunch. Phone's on charging. DJI battery changed. I am 1 hour away from the backpackers hostel. Let's see if they have vacancy. Feels much better after eating something. I've also changed the ND filter to ND8 now instead of 16. So hopefully the colors should not be all that muted now.
She's a long way from suburban town. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban town. Long way, really
ये तो बोल रहा हूँ ऊपर चढ़ो।
from suburbia.
अपने पास टाइम तो है ही आज, है ना? वाह, कहाँ चढ़ रहे हैं? Let's go bro, let's go. Under Jesus and Mary. That's who I need right now. एक और हेयर पिन। भाई साहब ये तो डेंजरस है, डेंजरस। हाँ, ये कहाँ का एंट्री है? ये वॉल रोड का एंट्री है। वो रहा कैम्ब्रिज बुक डिपो। सबसे पहले पूछते हैं मिस्टर बॉन्ड पहुँचे कि नहीं। Hi, any chance Mr. Bond is showing up today? No? Okay, thank you. Had to try. रस्किन बॉन्ड से तो मिलना हुआ नहीं। वही मसूरी का सनसेट तो देख लें। सबसे बढ़िया सनसेट पॉइंट है जो उनका, दे कॉल इट लाल टिब्बा। क्वाइट जोन, तो मेरा रॉयल एनफील्ड चलने लगा हुआ है। अरे फुल हो गया पार्किंग में। चार दुकानें, चले घर। Chandigarh is now 109 kilometers, 2.5 hours away. I think it's time for a break. Time is 1:30. I'm not hungry for a lunch break, but I'll just have some snacks and maybe grab a coffee. Now we're in the middle of this lovely tree-lined path. I'll find a place where I can get some shadows. I also need to clean my visor. थक गए भाई, हाईवे रन पे थक गया। जब तक पहाड़ चल रहे थे, ट्विस्टी चल रहे, तब तक मज़ा आ रहा था। और अब चंडीगढ़ सिटी लिमिट एंटर कर गए हैं तो हर जगह स्पीड लिमिट रहेगा, तो नथिंग एक्साइटिंग टू रिकॉर्ड एनी मोर।